Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a quick jewelry haul from the jewelry brand or company Talisa. About a year ago, I did a video on their jewelry. On their website, they have so much. They have earrings, they have rings, they have necklaces, and they have a subscription box as well. And that's what last year's video was on. They actually offer a subscription box, which is cool, but I'm not going to get into that. I'll just link that video down below. But today I'm going to be sharing with you some pieces that I actually personalized or customized myself. Talisa jewelry is really unique in my opinion because it's not just a fashion statement, which it certainly can be, but it's also a really artistic way to express a special connection to a family member or a friend by customizing jewelry. So they have so many different collections. I'm going to get into the two that I went with and that I customized. I'm going to share them with you. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, if you guys would like to see the pieces that I customized from Talisa, then just keep watching. So a few weeks ago, I was really excited when Talisa reached out to me and they wanted me to create two necklaces from two of their different collections. So the first one being their birthstone collection. So for the birthstone necklace, you can have one birthstone and you can go all the way up to 10 birthstones. So for this necklace, I thought this would be a perfect gift for my mother. And I was going to put all of our family's birthstone colors on the necklace and gift it to her for her birthday. So this is what the necklace looks like. It's beautiful. And basically if you go up to the 10 birthstones, it's just gonna go straight down. So obviously you can see I chose 3. I am gonna insert a picture or a small video from my phone camera because it's better than this one. This one can tend to wash things out. So I'll just insert that somewhere so you can see it a little bit clearer. In addition to the birthstones, you can also customize this necklace. I went with a gold plated chain, but I'm on the website too. You can go with gold plated or sterling silver, and then you can upgrade to 18 karat gold vermeil or 14 karat yellow gold. And then you would just pop in whatever birthstones that you'd want, again, up to 10. So I have the citrine or the crystal birthstone for November at the top. And that is my mom and dad's birthday. They're both in November. And then next is the blue or the sapphire crystal. That is for September. And then lastly, the green, which is emerald for May, is going to cover my birthday, my husband's birthday, and my niece and my nephew's birthday. So I thought that was really cool. And then the next piece that I got to customize or personalize, I've actually never seen anything like it, but they're calling it their spot map jewelry or a spot map necklace. So it's in this nice little pouch right here. And I love when these pouches are included because then you can separate necklaces or jewelry so they don't get all tangled up when you're traveling. I've had that situation before many times where necklaces get into knots and it's just a bad situation. So it comes in this nice little pouch, and this is what the necklace looks like. It's a really beautiful pendant, but I want to get into what it is specifically before I share it with you. So it says gift a treasure that's more than just a piece of jewelry. It's a symbol of shared journeys. Select a location that dances in your memories, a place where love blossomed or adventures were shared, and watch us transform it into a meticulously crafted map pendant. That was a mouthful. This isn't just jewelry, it's a wearable story, a memento of your personal saga. Every glance at this piece will bring a smile, a memory, and a moment of joy, making it not only a beautiful accessory, but a treasure love of your most cherished memories. So that's what this is in a nutshell, and it's really cool. So I was going back and forth, what location do I want to select for them to turn into this pendant? So me and my husband love to go to Newport, Rhode Island. We love the mansions there. It's just a really beautiful place to go any time of year. We actually went twice this year, which is crazy. So I'm like, let's do Newport. We've been going there for so many years. We just love it there. We really enjoy it. So this is what they sent me just to show me exactly how they created it. But basically on their website, they're going to have a map. You put in the location and then you can either zoom out or zoom in. So I actually zoomed in pretty good on Newport. When I selected my location, they ended up sending me an email, I want to say like a few days later, just to show me exactly what the necklace would look like with the location I chose. and just to make sure that they can move forward and create it into a necklace. So I think that's so cool, you guys. There were so many other different places I wanted to choose, but say for example, like you went to Paris with your husband and it was your anniversary, or vice versa, and he wanted to get you a necklace of Paris or a specific location maybe, or he proposed to you, I'm just making this up. How cool would that be? How cool of a gift would that be? This is the Newport necklace that I designed. I will again insert a clip of what it looks like close up. I just want to kind of put this on right now. So that's what it looks like. I don't have it on the tightest notch, but if it was, it would be, you know, a little bit up more. But this is what it looks like. It's such a beautiful statement piece. And if somebody is talking to me and they look, they'd be like, you know, what is that on your necklace? And I'd be like, it's Newport, Rhode Island. It's so cool. I think it's so unique. So anyways, this is 18 karat gold plated vermeil. I want to make sure that I'm saying that correctly, but you can definitely choose different options. Now I went with the circle pendant, but you can do a large drop, a heart, or a small drop. There's so many different like, customizable options for the map jewelry. And then you can also upgrade the chain to pearls or have a cross. I just did the classic chain. And then basically they have a map on their website. You type in the address and then it's going to give you the map, and you can either zoom in or zoom out, and then it's going to show you what it would look like on the pendant or whatever shape you chose. So I just never seen anything like this. And then lastly, you can also include a diamond to mark like the pinpoint, like mark in the middle. So you can kind of see it right now. I actually upgraded to have the diamond pinpointed right there to mark with a diamond. But anyways, if you guys are interested in Talisa jewelry, or specifically the birthstone collection or the spot map collection, I will have these listed down below. Let me know in the comments down below if you've ever like customized jewelry, birthstone jewelry, or if you've even seen anything like this map jewelry. Again, I've never seen anything like this. If you're thinking of trying this out, again, for gifts, if you're looking for something, I think that these would be great for anybody. They have other types of jewelry, rings, earrings, other things as well. Definitely check out their website. The holidays are coming up, so this would be a really unique gift. But anyways, that is it. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.